Hey, what's up guys? Are you guys looking for a large 2-story home here in the southwest side of Las Vegas that has close to 4,000 square feet? Well, behind me, we have the Kitchell Floorplan, so don't go anywhere. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Now if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you like looking at new home build tours, or if you plan on moving, buying, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Today is January 5th, 2025. Now, if you're not familiar with the area, we're here. The main cross street is going to be Decatur and Cactus. So we're really close to the 15 freeway. It takes about 15 minutes to get to the airport, about 20 minutes to get to the strip. I did record this community about over a year ago, but the reason why I'm doing this video again is because I want to give you guys an update with the prices, as well as this community is going to have more lots available. Okay, so they offer 4 different floor plans in this community. So base prices ranging from $662,990 all the way up to $878,990. The Cameron floor plan, which is the smallest, is going to be the only single-story home in this community. Just so you know, when you see base prices, just know that lot premium and upgrades are not included. So you do have to factor that in when you're calculating your total. So the lot premiums here are going to range about 10 to 12 grand. Now upgrades, it really just depends on the buyer, but on average, for example, the Cameron floor plan, a lot of buyers are putting in about $50,000 in upgrades with that floor plan. With the Kitchell and the Layton, it's pretty typical for buyers to put in $100,000 in those floor plans. And for the Shelby, which is close to 5,000 square feet homes, a lot of buyers are putting in about $150,000 to that house, because most of them are doing the rooftop deck, which costs $30,000 in itself. Okay. Also with the community, the HOA is only $60 a month. Okay, that's going to cover the outdoor maintenance of the neighborhood. Average lot square feet is going to be 5,500 to 5,600. That's about it. So let's get started with this tour. All right, so welcome to the Kitchell floor plan. Now the Kitchell floor plan is 3,894 plus square feet, 5 to 6 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage, and the base price is $766,990. Okay, out the door, including lot premiums and upgrades, you're looking at about mid 800s to 900, really just dependent upon the upgrades that you choose. But yeah, the desert landscaping will be included. Okay, paver driveway. The only thing you'd have to do as far as landscaping is the backyard. Now the HOA will give you about a year to do that. All right, so it's going to be the nice entry door. Looks like it's an 8-foot entry door. All right guys, so welcome to the Kitchell floor plan. Okay, now you do have 9-foot ceilings on this main floor here. That's going to be a den space right there. You're going to have your first bedroom right in this corner here. Okay, so you have a bedroom downstairs, which I know is important to a lot of buyers. So you have this nice large window. Okay, this room is it's a decent size. It's not the most spacious bedroom. And then you'll have your full bath here. Okay, so this room would be great if you're living with in-law, grandparents. They could definitely stay in this room. And one of the structural upgrades that you can do is, instead of that den space, this will be a suite, right? So this room is going to extend out a little bit further. The walk-in closet, the primary bath, that's going to, that'll also take up where that den space is. Okay, so this is the walk-in closet. This is upgraded right here, the walk-in shower with a seat. Otherwise, it would just be a shower tub combo. Okay, we have the nice tile flooring. Now the standard flooring is going to be, you'll pretty much have carpet all throughout the house. And then the entryway, which would be right here, you'll have a 12 by 12 ceramic tile. And the wet areas like the kitchen, the bathroom, laundry room, you're gonna have vinyl. So this is your walk-in closet. But yeah, again, most buyers, they don't want carpet on the main floor, so they'll remove that. Okay, so yeah, if you don't have that suite option, you can put this den. You could also, there's also an option too where you could put a door in here. You could put like a glass door, French door. So you have some options. So welcome to the living room. All right, so you got your dining room, kitchen. It's very open, and then you have your stairs right over here that goes to the second floor. Another structural option you can do is you could put a center slider right over there. And then obviously the electric fireplace, that is upgraded as well. Okay, I'm starting to notice more and more buyers want that. Okay. Yeah, it feels very open, very spacious in here. There's like six different options that you could do for the kitchen as well. I mean, I could tell you what's standard in the kitchen. This quartz material, that's optional. I mean, you'll have standard will be granite countertop with a 6-inch backsplash. So if you want like this type of backsplash, this type of countertop, you know, that is optional. You could do like a waterfall island as well. Okay, and then you could opt for the like a higher kitchen package. So right, this is optional as well if you want the built-in cooktop. You can also opt for the built-in refrigerator as well. Now the only appliances that will be included in the kitchen is going to be the oven, stovetop, dishwasher, and the microwave. Okay, beautiful stainless steel undermount sink. Okay, so this is going to be your pantry right here. So this is cool. You have a really large size pantry, but then you also have a door right here. So this would be your mudroom. That's the door to your garage. And this is, you know, where you'd remove your shoes and all of that. You have some storage space right over here. Okay. Definitely store your decorations or just your some of your boxes. Okay, this is gonna be the powder room. This will be the for the guests. All right, I love that you get this nice large window. There's plenty of light, plenty of good light here. As you can see, those windows are really large. And then, you know, you'll have this center slider. You'll have that window as well. The covered patio is optional. Okay. Now, if you do choose to get the covered patio, they'll automatically put these pavers right below it. But everything else will be dirt. Okay, again, you have a year to landscape your backyard. That's usually what they require. Okay, so you have your side gate right here. Guessing your condensers are going to be over here. All right. And I know buyers ask me all the time too, if the walls are this low. They're not this low, it's just for the model homes. Okay, when you move into your house, they're gonna be higher. All right. Let's go to the second floor. Okay, so look, you have a landing step, and this is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps, and you hit your landing step. So we got the upgraded stair rails. All right, so this is what you could see. As soon as you get up here, you're gonna have a bedroom right there, another bedroom. That's gonna be another bedroom, your primary bedroom, and then this is gonna be your loft. You can also upgrade this to a 6-bedroom in case you need 6 bedrooms. So you have your laundry room right here. Okay, washer and dryer is not included. I think the cabinets, I know I could double check for you, but as far as the cabinets goes, I think they are optional. So you got your smart panel box right here. That's how you would connect your router and your modem. Most people decide to keep the loft the way it is instead of turning into a bedroom, just because it definitely opens up the second floor. But again, if you're a family that needs 6 bedrooms, well then, you know what you would need. Okay. So welcome to the bedroom. And you also have 9-foot ceilings here as well. Okay. So you got your walk-in closet. All right. Okay, so you do have a full bath. Now this full bath in this room, this is optional, because what would be standard actually is you wouldn't have this walk-in closet. Your walk-in closet would be right here. That other bedroom, their walk-in closet would be right over here. It'd be divided by a wall. But you can opt to have this full bath right here if you'd like. Okay. Cool shower tub combo. So yeah, Jack and Jill bath. This is going to be the other bedroom. Okay, you got your walk-in closet. Now, I forgot another option that you can do is you could actually turn this into a suite, this room into a suite, and then it would have, I believe this bathroom right here would be its own personal bath. And then this bedroom would have to access this for its, for the shower. Okay. So you got the dual sinks, upgraded shower right here. You have your toilet. So the option, if you don't upgrade it to the walk-in shower, it would just be the shower tub combo as we've seen in this room. Okay, so you do have your attic access up there. Okay, linen closet. This bedroom too, you can turn into a suite. So yeah, a couple of different structural upgrades you could do up here. Cool, so walk-in closet. But yeah, when I say like upgrade to a suite, that would just mean that this bedroom would have its own personal bath and walk-in closet. Oh, I can check that out. All right, let's check out the primary bedroom. Now you guys, if you're watching this video and you are interested in a new build community and you're thinking about visiting for your very first time, do me a huge favor, guys. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I would love to go with you on your very first visit and help you out through the process. If you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure they go with you on your very first visit. You definitely want representation when you walk into one of the new build communities, because if you go by yourself, they're going to get your information and they're gonna register you in their system with no agent. You know, the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest. So it's definitely important you get representation. We know what we're looking for. We know when to negotiate. We hold the builders accountable. So if you just walk in by yourself, then you won't really know what to expect. You don't know what the expectations are. So, you know, definitely get yourself some representation. Okay. So there's the primary bath. Look at that, 2 walk-in closets. And they're both really spacious too. Okay, so yeah, this could be a bedroom. This walk-in closet. Okay, so you're gonna have your toilet right here. So I believe this structural option is standard. If you'd like, you can turn this into like a larger walk-in shower. And you know, it would get rid of the tub. Okay, so you got your dual sinks. Yeah. This is another really spacious walk-in closet. So yeah, I mean, if you have a lot of clothes, for sure, this house might be the one. You have 2 large walk-in closets. But okay, guys, that's it for the Kitchell floor plan. So if you guys have any questions, just you know, reach out to me. Any questions about the incentives, or if you're looking for help with this new construction process, give me a call. But until then, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I will catch you guys on the next one.